us to investigate and inquire into financial accounts that may be involved in the commission of prohibited acts and to apply for cybercrime warrants with respect to electronic communications used in any violation of this measure. I hope that through this law, we can deter the majority of the financial scams that we have been seeing, while at the same time fostering greater trust in our digitization efforts. So at this point, I would like to convey my gratitude to our colleagues in the House of Representatives and in the Senate for passing these two very important laws. May you continue this streak of passing progressive, innovative, and people-centered laws. With you as partners in improving government and uplifting the lives of our people, I'm confident that we will achieve a more inclusive, just, and resilient society. Congratulations to you. Mabuhay ang bawat Pilipino. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipino. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Binabalikan at binubusisi natin muli ang ipila upang malaman kung angkop pa ba ito sa ating kasalukuyang sitwasyon o napapanahon na ito ay amyandahan. Sa taas ng presyo ng kuryente sa bansa, ay hihirapan hindi lamang ang mga negosyante, kung hindi lalo na ang taong bayan.
Ako si Patrick Beso, mula sa Vizcaya. 2017 yung una mong pasok sa PTV. Sa study ako